right? So we have given today question is restore IP address, and we have discussed about this. So I will recommend you please go for the first part of this video and understand how we have implemented the backtracking. Okay, so in the backtracking, what we have taken a list, right? That is a list of a string, and we will contain all our current IP that is possible. You can say possible uh, IPs we will store there, right here. Like you can see, we are storing, right? So we will store on the result by joining the dot, right? All the we can say uh, with the all the segment we will add onto the string, and then we will add onto the list, right? And then we are doing that. So I will recommend you please go through so that you will understand these three things that we have discussed, right? So if the digit having 3-digit having, then we have to check what is it having 3-digit, right? And they will check the 255, should not more than 255 as well. The first character, if more than one, length is more than one, right? So we should not see what this one, right? It should not, the first character should not be 0, right? So those things we have already discussed, right? So I will recommend please go and see this video. Okay, so we have not discussed here the complexity. I'm sorry, we have not discussed about the complexity. So let me give me one minute. I'll take another pen. Yeah, so what we have given string s, right? We have given a string s, and it's it will represent that string into what integers, right? So if a string s, we are going to represent in what integer n, right? So for each integer, what will happen, at most m digits we have, right? So if we'll talk about the all the possibility for the segment, right, that will take what, m into n, right? And for all those possibilities, we'll call m to the power n minus 1, because total what, how many digits will be there, n integer will be there, right? So possibility will be m to the power n minus 1 will be there, right? So we have to check all the integer, all the all digit of n. Like let's say we have 4-digit, right? So in the 4-digit we have to check with the 1. Is 1 have 1-digit, right? So we will check for 1-digit, right? All the possibility segment possibility will check, right? So that will go to o into m into n, right? And if we'll talk about the total complexity, so it will talk m to the power n minus 1 and m to the power n, and then we will return m to the power n into n, right? This one. But if I'll talk about the space complexity, so uh, uh, all the current IP, right? Before putting into the result, it will take O of n, right? Because we are using what current IP we are taking. You'll see here, here, right? We have taken current IP. See, so these will before adding onto the list, right? It will take what, O of n size, right? Of n size, so that we have talking about, right? And it will take one size, and for all the for each element, right, for each calculation, you can say for each solution, it will take what, m into n, that we have already discussed, right? And here we have already discussed, and for all the operation, like it will take m for all the digits, you can say m minus 1 it will take, and so it will come m into n, or you can say. Okay, now we are talking about iterative approach. If you not understand, please ping me in the comment box. I think this is very easy question, right? So let's go to the iterative approach, right? So in this we will take three checks, right? First check we will take through the length check. If length is equal to 1, so it will give true or false, right here. Second check we will check is 0 at the first char in the segment, so we'll check through my segment will take, and if the segment have start not equal to 0, right? If that is not equal to 0, means it will return true. Then third check we'll check is less than 225, right? That we have seen. So we'll take condition 3, right? And we'll say this name my segment start and length will pass. So we will check first the length is less than 3, right? Or we will check if the we will take the substring of start index plus length we will go, and we'll compare with the 255. If less than equal to 0 means we have, right, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false, right? So three conditions we will check, these three conditions, right? Length check is 0 at first char in segment, and is less than length 225, right? I think you have understood, right? So let me represent this segment. Let's suppose we have, yeah, you can see here, right? We have this one, this string is given, right? So I'll take the first 255. Okay, so this is 255 first. Let's see, first we have 255, right? We are considering. Then we have 255. Then what we have? 11 we have, and then 135. Let's consider this one. So this is valid. Why we are getting valid? This was valid because the first check is a length is equal to 1, right? If length is equal to 1, then it will return true, right? So next we have E0 at the first char. So these two conditions are not having these things, and it will say it's true. Now it will come to is less than 225, right? uh, these two are giving true, right? Now we are less than 225, so we'll check that condition. So in the condition you are saying we have to check 225, right? So it is 225 but not more than this, right? So it will also give true, right? So three functions that we have created: length check, is boolean char, and is less than, right? So these three will give our what boolean check. We have the boolean checks, and these boolean checks will give true. Then what we will do, we will come to our this condition, and this is our function in which we are passing string s length. So here if you'll see, we have answer, right? And we will return this answer finally, right? So what we have to do, for each answer we will add the answer, right? So if we'll talk about here we are adding. So till we will reach here, first we will go through all the steps, right? So if this string is given, right, this string is given s, correct? So first of all, what we will do, let's suppose we have 2 5 5, then we have 2 5 5, then I have 1 1 1 and 3 5, correct? We have. So what we will do, we will start with this for loop, right? So we will start length 1 we will take, and we will check 1, we will passing 1 and comma s dot length minus 9. So we will check the length, right? So what is the length we have given? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, correct? We have given 10. So what we will do here, first we will start with the length from the max. We will get the max for we are passing max, we are giving max, and sorry, max we are passing 1 and 10 minus 9. Which one is max, right? So it is coming what? 1 and 1 only, right? So it is given 1, so we will start with 1. Okay, so it will go to less than equal to length 3. So if we'll start with the length this one, right? So it will go to what? 0 1 2 3. So, okay, so it is counting from 1 actually. This is incorrect. So we'll start from here to here, right? This 3 length will go, and similarly this is saying the length should be less than equal to this, and then minus will go, right? Either this or this. If length is string is less than, right? So in that case we will go to maximum its length minus 3 and plus plus. So what we will do, we will pass the first segment we will pass, and we'll say s0 and this length, right? We'll pass. So first length it is going segment, so we'll check into the is segment thing. So first segment is okay. You can say 255 is okay. That's why we are getting in the first output we are getting 255 is okay. Okay, next we will check for this another length, right? So this, like this one only. So you can see what we have 1 we have, then we are passing length. Length is what? 10 we have, right? 10 11 whatever we have given. 253 3 3 3 and 2. Okay, 9 and 2 11, total 11 we have, right? So now we have length, previous length we have, right? So previous length was what? 11 minus 9 we have, right? We have did 11, right? Minus 9, it is 2. Now we are doing what? We are doing plus 1, correct? Sorry, minus 6 we are doing more. So total length is 11, minus we will do what? Length is 2 we have, and then we will do 6, so is 8. So we will start with 5, right? So 1 and 5 we have to start with the 5th position, right? We'll say that. So it will start from there, and then we will move to its what length, right? So this length is 11. We are doing what? Length is, previous length is what? We have given where is the previous length? Yeah, this one, this length. For each length we will start from there, right? So we'll move to from here. Let's see, we are starting from here, then we are starting from here, then we are starting from here, right? So till that we will go to the its next position, right? 1 2 3 4 5. We'll go to here first time. Like that we will move each time. We will move to each time we will move, right? Like that. And then we will check the segment. We are passing another length, right? We are passing another length. So we have started with the 0 to length. Now length 1 is what we will replace with the length 1, and length here will be length 2, right? Like that. So what is this? Length 1 is what? Start index, and length is our that we are passing, right? In the length, starting index we will pass and the length we will pass. So always we have to see the starting length and the previous length, right? So if this is our starting length, right, so how much length we will move, right? That we have to calculate, right? And similarly we will go for with the next one, in which we will get this starting length we will get, and the another what we will say, the length, right? So like that we will calculate. So in this we will do length that we have 11 we have, then we will do whatever the length we have, 1 2 3 5 whatever we have, that will pass, and then length 2 will pass. Similarly we'll go there, okay? And in the last, if all everything is done, right, everything is working, so we will add onto the length. How we'll do? We'll do through the join, and we'll pass 0 to length, length 1, this is the length 1, and this length 1 plus length 2, like this, and these are the substring we are calculating. So 4 times we will do, and we will make our IP, right? Okay, so it may come like this one. First time it will come this one, then it will join with the 255 again, right? Then it will do with triple one, then it will be 35, like that. 4 times we will do. So we have started from 0 to for 0 to its length, right? Then we have started with another length that we will do length we have gone through here, right? Next is what? This length, right? And so we'll do this length plus another length, right? This one we'll do L1 plus L2 L3, like this we will do, and it will calculate. Finally we will return our answer, right? Now if we'll talk about the complexity, we have already understood, right, in which we have taken all the string into integer, right? And if all for each integer we have to go for m integers, right? So there is total m minus 1 a possibility we have. What here? Total m minus m possibility we have for each checking, right, and validating, right? So whole segment is valid, so it will take o m into n. And similarly what we have, time complexity, if we'll calculate, so we will multiply this one, so o m to the power n minus sorry, o m m to the power n, and this will come. Now similarly if we have the like the current IP we have, so we will take here on other value we are taking, right? So that will also take O of n to before adding into the answer. Here we have answer, and then we'll do m into n, and m minus 1 will do, and it will take all into n times, right? So I think if you have any doubt in this question, please ping me in the comment box. I will help you there. Thank you so much, guys.